Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do local authentication in native macOS application. So local authentication can be anything like password related authentication, or if you have touch sensor or biometric on your macOS, it will automatically ask for that particular thing. Now in my macOS I only have password. So this is the output. If I click on click me, here you can see it is asking me to enter the password. So if I enter some wrong password and if I click on OK, it won't dismiss. So I have to enter the right password. So in case if you want to protect your app so that no other user uses your app, you can add this password authentication or local authentication to your app. And now if I click on OK, here you can see user authenticated successfully. Then you can move to some next screen. So here I have created one macOS application. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here I have imported local authentication. Okay, then here I have just created one button, added one click listener to it, and set some NS layout as well to that particular button. Then on click of the button we are just creating an LA context, and here we are calling context.can evaluate policy device owner authentication. And this is just a reason for why we are requesting the authentication. And if the authentication is success, I'm just calling this method. Otherwise I'm just printing it to the console in case of error over here as well as over error. And if you see this method, I'm just calling print. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do local authentication in native macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.